Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we will discuss about how you can create building blocks in Experience Fragment. In last videos, you have already aware of how you can create Experience Fragment and what are the overall objective to use the Experience Fragment. If you haven't seen any video, please go on my channel and check out my playlist. So let's talk about Experience Fragment building blocks. Building blocks is a combination of all the components that we are placing on the experience fragment. As we discussed in the previous video, you can add multiple components on the experience fragment. Let's go on the AEM screen and can understand more. So in the previous session or in the previous video, we know how to place the components on the experience fragment. As you can see, I have already placed two components. One is the image component, another is the text component. And I want to create a building block. Building block is a combination of more than one components available on experience fragment. So on the side rail, if you are checking out the last option or second last option, which is talking about the building blocks, it is telling us how many building blocks are available. For example, if you want to see all, it will show all the building blocks available in your repository. If you want to check local, local means on this page, how many building blocks are available, it will show you that information here. As of now, we are not having any building blocks. So on local, there are no results available. But if I'm going on all, you can see multiple building blocks available. So let's create a building block on our current page. What you need to do you need to select all the components which could be the part of the building block. So I do have two component. So I'm selecting only two components here. Once you are selecting, both components will be visible with the blue border. As you can see, image and text both are showing blue border. After that, you need to click on the button. If you hover on that, it will also display the information converting to building block. Once you click on that, it will prompt you to provide a meaningful name. So as this is my demo experience fragment, so I'm creating with the same name building block, demo experience fragment building block, and I'm converting it. Once I'm converting it, you notice that a dotted lines are appearing and it is appearing overall block wherever I selected. For example, I selected only two components. That is the reason it is showing a dotted lines for these two components. If I have selected multiple components, then it will show a big dotted lines in the combination of all the selected components. As well as in the local, you can see the new building block is available. If you want to edit that, you can edit that as well. You can remove that and you can do different operations. For example, at any point of time, you want to cancel this in the building block. How you can do that? So inheritance cancellation is also available. What you need to do, you need to just click on these dotted lines. So all the components will be selected which are part of the building block. And then you need to again click on the same icon. Now it is showing me cancel inheritance. It means once I'm clicking on that, it will place all the component in the previous state, or you can say not as a building block. Building block is just one uh, callable piece for us, and all the components associated with that building blocks will be called. However, when I'm canceling that, all components are now individual callable. So as you can see, dotted lines now not appearing, and in the local, I cannot see the same building block option. However, in the another case, you can understand if I do have multiple component like this, a text component, a breadcrumb, and image component in a different layout, I can create a building block of all these components as well by just clicking on the converting to building block, and it will convert everything in a building block. So this is how you can easily create a building block, even that is in a design or in a single layout design or in a different layout design. However, as per the best practice, it is always advisable you can create a building block which are part of this single layout container. If you are having multiple layout container on the same page, create multiple building blocks. I hope this video is helpful to understand about the concept of building block on Experience Fragment. Keep watching and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.